Continue. I went to the cinema, found everything to go together. But then, when my job, actually, I found they promote me. I was a tech person, and suddenly I became a manager, and that has become a struggle for me. So that's where Brains and Bots came to bring a solution to me. Welcome to.
Congrats on your new promotion.
Oh my gosh!
What's wrong?
I'm overwhelmed. My team is not listening to me. My manager is on my back and nothing is working.
I'm very sorry to hear that, but do you know Brains Bots? They can help you with this.
No, tell me more.
A lot of technicians have problems with being overwhelmed by expectations, uncertain leadership skills, and communication issues when they step up into leadership roles. So we came up with a solution for that and help them to align with roles of outsiders' expectations, boost confidence in decision making, and master communication for success. So who are we? We are Brains and Bots. We use AI, coaching, and psychology to help techies become impactful leaders and drive teams to success. How do we do it? We combine an AI companion, personalized coaching, and integrating psychological as well as science to make it possible. And have a nice look on our super cool and amazing landing page we created.
Ooh.
At the same time, we also offer you a sneak peek in our product. And as I said already, our target market are techies, like for example, full stack developers, data scientists, and data analysts like you. And we have competitors like for example Better Up and CoachUp, which are already using AI coaching, but we stand out by combining AI, coaching, and psychology and focusing dominantly on the leadership market. And the exciting part about this is that the projected growth in the coaching platform market is rising from 1.4 billion now until to 3 billion and above in the upcoming years. But let me now hand over to Davita. She will tell you more about marketing strategy.
Fabulous. I was the customer and now I'm your marketing spokesperson. So, let me take you on the journey. We started off with interviewing our potential users, like Burak, who we all know and love. So we went through their challenges of stepping up into leadership. We also went through their goals and their values, along with the different communication channels. From that, we went further into their journey to figure out from the start how they hear about us, visiting the website, sign up for a free demo, become a customer, yay! Use our platform and turn others. Since we are a very new product, we are going to focus on a 3-month campaign focused on awareness, people finding out about us. So we start with engaging with different communities. We're going to do social media, SEO, and ads, along with a hackathon with amazing prizes. Cha-ching! This is to get 1,500 visits and turn to 20 clients. So to make this happen, we start off with creating social media accounts. From there, we went in to create a social media plan. So we figured out what content to create, when we would publish it, and across the different channels. From next on that, we actually created the content. So our first thing was creating a video to tell others about who we are and how we can help. We even went on to create a free guide, along with different posts. On Instagram, we created reels, we created posts, and we even did A/B testing, which is where we did the same content in different formats to see what was more interesting for our potential users. Then we did direct sales. So we used a tool called Clay. What it does, it helped us create a list of potential users. We wrote them directly on LinkedIn, and then they can click the link, go to our website, sign up for the form, and then they get an email in their inbox with the free guide. All automated, so it happens in our sleep. Woohoo! From here, you can go on to see, so you see the free guide there. From here, you can see an overview of all of our different outreaches that we were doing. So at the end of the time, our event, which was a hackathon, got the most sales, along with social media and Google Ads. Our goal was 20 companies for a year membership, which is $180,000. We only spent $20,000 on our marketing spend, which means we did well. But at the end of the day, our main goal is to take techies from this to this. So to make this possible and to make this happen, we had a fabulous team. We had Dr. Nima, who's our psychologist and CEO, me for business development, and our lovely Valentine that also did all the design and marketing. And then from there, if you're interested, as a techie who'd love to up your leadership skills for your next management position or when you're getting a job, then scan the code and join our waitlist. Thank you very much.